can be heard all around when you plug it in. Make sure it's switched off, so that handheld nightmare doesn't try to take off. A little handheld 4-inch bringer of the pain. Do it wrong and it could end up touching your brain. Get it pinched and it will break off in your skin. You could easily run it up your shin, but when you put on a gouge, you better think twice about how the gyroscoping wheel will feel when it rolls across the heel of your hand and turns your flesh into sand. It will take the skin down to the bone, but it's even faster with the comb. If it kicks back, your face is gonna get attacked. You won't have time to react. If you try to hold it up high, you can throw sparks in your eye. If you use it on your knees, you could run it across your thigh. Watch out, it don't spray you in the eye. Oh, a little red dust is easy to handle, but the angle grinder can leave your fingers just a dangle. The most feared wheel of them all is the one that looks like a chainsaw. It will cut you deep right across your hand. It will leave a puddle of you where you stand. It's a blade that is only for the pros, because they already know one slip and they could touch it to their lip. Always use it with a guard. Your fingers are not hard. Don't wear something loose that you don't wanna lose. That blade loves to grab a glove. It's not something you're gonna love. It's gonna take more than skin. You might drop it and hit your shin. So many fingers are dangling while your foot is entangling. The toggle hasn't been flipped and now it made you trip and fall. Now you're getting chunked off by that little chainsaw. Then you can hit your head on the table and land at a bad angle. Now the grinder is in your thigh and blood is filling your eye. You're laying on the ground and the only sound you can hear is the angle grinder screaming in your ear. All this could have been stopped if you just looked around, found the right glove to give your hand some proper love. You should have made sure it fit before the grinder grabs a hold of it and ripped it in two with a big piece of you. Check the switch before you plug it in. Remember what I said about your shin. Use a guard, it's not that hard. Don't be dumb and don't lose a thumb. Watch the cord, if you trip you can slip and gash your cheek and chunk out your teeth. Respect the tool, don't become a fingerless fool.